All content contained within this video is for entertainment purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice.
7 assets that have the ability to make you very rich. Robert Kiyosaki said, "It is easier to invest for cash flow during a financial crisis. So don't waste a good crisis by hiding your head in the sand. The longer the crisis lasts, the richer some people will become. All markets are cyclical, and there are ways to profit in both directions. The problem is absolutely no one truly knows which direction a market is headed. Even the most intelligent investors lose from time to time. The key is to learn as much as you can so you can make well-informed decisions and, hopefully, increase your odds of success by doing so. There are many great authors who have enjoyed much greater success than you. Consume their material and use that information to improve your advanced dynamics and live your best life." Number 1. Real estate. Franklin D. Roosevelt said, "Real estate cannot be lost or stolen, nor can it be carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid for in full, and managed with reasonable care, it is about the safest investment in the world." Real estate is a tangible asset that can be a lucrative investment for those who are willing to put in the time and effort to research, purchase, and manage properties. One way that real estate can make you very rich is through the appreciation of the property's value over time. As the value of real estate in an area increases, the value of the property you own can also increase, potentially leading to a significant return on your investment. Another way that real estate can be a profitable asset is through the rental income it generates. By purchasing a rental property and finding tenants to occupy it, you can generate a steady stream of passive income. This income can be used to pay off the mortgage on the property, as well as providing additional income for you. Robert Kiyosaki said, "Real estate investing, even on a very small scale, remains a tried and true means of building an individual's cash flow and wealth." Additionally, real estate can be a tax-advantaged investment. In some cases, you may be able to take advantage of tax deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes, which can help to lower your overall tax burden. With careful planning and management, real estate can be a powerful asset that has the potential to make you very rich. Number 2. Stocks. Warren Buffett said, "The stock market is a wonderfully efficient mechanism for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient." Stocks, also known as equities, are securities that represent ownership in a company. When you own a stock, you are a shareholder in the company and are entitled to a portion of its profits and voting rights at shareholder meetings. One way that stocks can make you very rich is through the appreciation of the stock price over time. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of its stock can increase, leading to a potential return on your investment. Additionally, many companies pay dividends to their shareholders, which can provide a regular source of income. Charlie Munger said, "Bull markets go to people's heads. If you're a duck on a pond and it's rising due to a downpour, you start going up in the world, but you think it's you, not the pond." Another way to potentially make money with stocks is through active trading. By buying and selling stocks based on market conditions and company performance, it is possible to generate profits in the short term. However, this approach carries additional risk and requires a significant amount of knowledge and experience in stock trading. Overall, stocks can be a lucrative asset for those who are willing to take on the risks involved and have a long-term investment horizon. Number 3. Small businesses. Bill Rancic said, "I'm a big fan of small business ownership. I think it's the backbone of American innovation. But to be successful, you first have to have the courage to go for it." Small businesses can be a powerful asset that has the potential to make you very rich, but they also carry a higher level of risk compared to other assets. A small business is a privately owned company with a small number of employees and typically generates less than $5 million in annual revenue. One way that small businesses can make you very rich is through the appreciation of the business's value over time. As the business grows and becomes more profitable, the value of the company can increase, leading to a potential return on your investment. Additionally, you can generate income through the profits of the business. Debbie Fields said, "Small business in America is what fuels the American economy. We need more small businesses to assist us in creating a great nation and in creating more jobs. It's this frontier that is endless in terms of opportunity and potential." However, starting and running a small business can be challenging, and there is a high rate of failure among small businesses. It requires a significant amount of time, effort, and resources to start and grow a small business. And there are many risks involved. For example, there is a risk that the business may not generate enough revenue to cover its expenses, or that it may face competition from other businesses. Overall, Small businesses can be a potentially lucrative asset, but it is important to carefully consider the risks and be prepared to invest the time and resources necessary to succeed. And by the way, if you are getting something out of this, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a new episode of the Advanced Dynamics Strive to Thrive channel.
You are watching Advanced Dynamics, the success channel for those with a winner's mindset. Most just coast. We strive to thrive. Hello, winners. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. And if you get something out of this, please hit like and leave a comment. Today's sponsor is Bob Proctor and his world-renowned prosperity program, 6 Minutes to Success. The link is in the description. Without further ado, let's get back to today's video.
Number 4. Social media accounts. Tony Robbins said, "If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten." Social media accounts, such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, can be a valuable asset for those who are able to grow a large following and generate income through sponsored posts, merchandise sales, or other monetization methods. However, it is important to note that the value of a social media account is highly dependent on the individual account owner's ability to consistently create engaging content and attract and retain a large following. One way that a social media account can make you very rich is by monetizing the account through sponsored posts and partnerships with brands. Many businesses and organizations are willing to pay individuals with large followings to promote their products or services on social media. Gary Vaynerchuk said, "Don't worry. Skills are cheap. Passion is priceless." If you're passionate about your content and you know it and do it better than anyone else, even with few formal business skills, you have the potential to create $1 million business. Another way to potentially make money with a social media account is by selling merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, or other items branded with your account name or logo. This can be a profitable venture if you are able to build a loyal following and create products that your followers are interested in purchasing. Overall, social media accounts can be a valuable asset for those who are able to effectively grow and monetize their following. But it is important to be aware that this is a highly competitive and rapidly changing field, and the value of a social media account can be unpredictable. Number 5. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. A Motley Fool contributor said, "One of the most attractive elements of ETFs is their cost structure. Because ETFs are based on indexes, there's no need for a staff of 24 Porsche-driving Harvard MBAs, so a minimum of your hard-earned money is consumed managing the indexes." Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are investment vehicles that track the performance of a particular market index, such as the S&P 500, or a specific asset class, such as gold or real estate. ETFs are traded on a stock exchange and can be bought and sold like individual stocks. One way that ETFs can make you very rich is through the appreciation of the underlying assets that they hold. As the value of the assets in the ETF increases, the value of the ETF can also increase, leading to a potential return on your investment. Additionally, many ETFs pay dividends to their shareholders, which can provide a regular source of income. Nick Colas said, "The growth of ETFs in U.S. capital markets is a textbook case study in disruptive innovation, right alongside well-known historical examples like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Netflix, and scores of others successful enterprises." Another advantage of ETFs is that they offer diversification, as they typically hold a broad range of assets within a particular asset class or market index. This can help to spread out risk and potentially increase the stability of your investment. Overall, ETFs can be a good choice for those who want to invest in a particular asset class or market index, but don't have the time or expertise to research and select individual stocks or other assets. However, it is important to carefully consider the specific ETF that you are investing in and the risks involved. Number 6. Cryptocurrency. Andres Antonopoulos said, "Bitcoin is not unregulated. It is regulated by algorithms instead of being regulated by government bureaucracies. It is uncorrupted." Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions, as well as to control the creation of new units of the asset. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies available. One way that cryptocurrency can make you very rich is through the appreciation of the value of the specific cryptocurrency that you own. As the demand for a particular cryptocurrency increases, the value of that cryptocurrency can also increase, leading to a potential return on your investment. Nassim Nicholas Taleb said, "Bitcoin is the beginning of something great, a currency without a government, something necessary and imperative. However, it is important to note that cryptocurrency is a highly volatile and risky asset. The value of a cryptocurrency can fluctuate significantly over short periods of time, and there is a risk that you could lose your entire investment. Additionally, there is a risk of fraud or hacking in the cryptocurrency market, which can result in the loss of your investment. Overall, cryptocurrency can be a potentially lucrative asset, but it is important to carefully consider the risks involved and to only invest what you can afford to lose. It is also essential to do your due diligence and thoroughly research any cryptocurrency that you are considering investing in. Number 7. Collectibles, such as artwork, stamps, and rare coins. Robert Jen said, "The brilliance of art as a collectible is that it has a way of reaching out on an emotional level. It touches on mystery, even spirituality. Collectibles, such as artwork, stamps, and rare coins, can be valuable assets that have the potential to make you very rich. These assets are typically considered to have historical or cultural significance, and they can be bought and sold on the collectibles market. One way that collectibles can make you very rich is through the appreciation of the value of the specific collectibles that you own. As the demand for a particular collectible increases, the value of that collectible can also increase, leading to a potential return on your investment. However, it is important to note that the collectibles market can be unpredictable, and the value of a collectible can fluctuate significantly over time. Additionally, it can be difficult to accurately assess the value of a collectible, as it is often based on subjective factors, such as rarity, historical significance, and the opinions of collectors. Overall, collectibles can be a potentially lucrative asset for those who are knowledgeable about the specific collectibles that they are interested in and are willing to take on the risk involved. It is important to do your research and carefully consider the potential risks and rewards before investing in collectibles. In summary, the name of the game is to work smart, not hard. Real estate, stocks, small businesses, social media channels, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and collectibles are 7 assets that can help you to do just that. We hope you have enjoyed this episode, and we will see you on the next one. Strive to thrive, winners.
If you got something out of today's video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Click the Show More link on this video to check out our sponsor Bob Proctor and his world-renowned prosperity program, 6 Minutes to Success. You'll also find the link to get your Attitude Winners gear, including wall art, luggage covers, hoodies, and t-shirts at advancedynamix.com. Strive to thrive, winners.